Uses of N-acetylcysteine. N-acetylcysteine, NAC, 600 mg is primarily a prescription medication used to treat respiratory diseases with excessive, thick mucus. Antioxidant support. It helps the body produce glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Mental health. Research suggests it may help manage symptoms of conditions like obsessive-compulsive disorder, schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and substance use disorders by regulating brain neurotransmitters. Fertility. It may improve fertility in both men and women by reducing oxidative stress and, in women with polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, by promoting ovulation.